Via Cavour 1 from Xerjoff has been getting a lot of hype in the community lately, and I'm here to set the record straight. Is it really worth it, or is it just overhyped? Let's get it. Hello guys, welcome back, and I'm Max, and the short answer is no, it's not overhyped, but it's some things about it that I like and some things about it that I really don't like. But like all Xerjoff, they come nice case wrapped in this nice sleeve, and that's the fragrance. Now, first thing you get is not mentioned in the notes, but on my skin I'm picking up some white florals, mainly something like magnolia. Also in the opening I'm getting like some red berries, mainly strawberries, some tart strawberry notes. Now about 20 minutes in, that's when that nice dark chocolate come in, but it's not overpowering, more like in a background sort of setting. Then in the base I'm picking up like this slightly aromatic musk note. I'm also getting like this lightly spicy amber, which makes this fragrance almost like a floral, fruity, spicy gourmand. What I like about this fragrance, I'm getting two different fragrances. On my chest, I'm getting something different, totally different than what I get on my hand or on my extremities. Now, on my extremities, I really don't like the fragrance. I do like it, but it's not as much as I like it on my chest. Now, on my chest, I don't get the white florals. I'm getting more like a lightly rose note. You still pick up those strawberries, but the strawberries are more prominent on my chest. I'm picking up more caramel, no chocolate, whereas on my arms, I'm picking up more chocolate and no caramel, but on my chest, I'm picking up more caramel and no chocolate. And on my chest, I get more boozy notes. On my arms, I'm getting more of a white floral. On my chest, I'm getting a little bit more gourmand, a little bit less safer than it is on my arm. And basically, on my arm, it smells like a fragrance that I owned somewhere before. So if I had to categorize this fragrance, on my arm, I probably would say I really don't love it, but on my chest, I really love this fragrance. So it's kind of a mixed opinion for me. But the only thing I would do now is spray more on my chest and less on the extremities because I like it better like that. Now, as far as performance, $10 at least. You're gonna get at least a 1 foot radius, and it's definitely a unisex, but it's more masculine on my chest, more feminine on my arm. I think it's an all season scent, as long as you're wearing it in the right occasion, as long as it's not too hot, because it's not really a heavy fragrance, but it is a gourmand, so you have to kind of be careful with how you wear gourmands in the heat. But I think later in the summertime, you can get away with it, and probably most of the time during all the other seasons. But spraying it on my extremities, I think it's leaning a little bit more feminine to me. On my chest, it's a little bit more masculine. And if you stayed this long, I have a bonus for you. The bonus, guys, if you want strangers to come up to you and tell you how you smell, and this also made my insane compliment fragrance review. Wore it last night, wore it to a restaurant, and my old lady practically say don't wear it around nobody else but her. You can check it out right here. And everybody I recommend this fragrance to, they love it and had similar stories where strangers came up to them and told them how nice they smell. And the fragrance I'm talking about, you better get Oud Amazing if you haven't smelled it, if you haven't checked it out. I'm telling you, this is a fragrance that invites people to compliment you. All right, guys, I'm Max. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will leave a video up here about my most insane complimented fragrances, and Oud Amazing make that list. Or if you want to check out more Xerjoff videos or playlists, check this video out. Everybody stay safe. See you soon. Come back and see me. Peace.